No, after a wild crocodile now. After a wild crocodile, I missed you. I love you and missed you. I always do that, 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 do that. Did you hear that song, sister? It was pretty short. You like short ones? Yeah. I know. No, I don't have to sing.